there, my name is Katie. I'm the resort manager here at Sun Outdoors Old Orchard Beach downtown. Thank you so much for booking your stay with us. We look forward to welcoming you. The unique thing about Old Orchard Beach is there are 7 miles of sandy beaches. During the day, many of our guests hang out at the famous Old Orchard Beach Pier, and it's only a half mile from here. We actually have a trolley service that stops here every 15 minutes, and it'll bring you right down to the beach. And of course, it'll pick you up after a long, warm day down in Old Orchard. Another way to spend your day in sunny Old Orchard is to visit one of the water parks. There are 2 water parks in the area, Aquaboggan and Splashtown Funtown. Also remember to try some of the awesome restaurants in the area, like Ken's Seafood, the Clam Bake, and my favorite, Fielder's Choice Ice Cream. A little too hot for the beach? Come and enjoy our heated pool and hot tub. You can also enjoy our playground and picnic area. Another amenity we have is the community fire pit right up here. We are pet friendly. We do always ask that your pet is on leash. However, we do have a small dog park near Comfort Station number 4, so your canine friends can enjoy some playtime with their friends. Here at Sun Outdoors Old Orchard Beach downtown, our team is here to make sure you always have a wonderful stay. Like Juana, our guest services supervisor.
Thank you, Katie. If you need anything, you can find me at the Welcome Center. Si vous avez besoin de quelque chose, vous me trouverez à Welcome Center. Merci.
We look forward to welcoming you to Sun Outdoors Old Orchard Beach downtown. See you at the beach.